Click on the link below to get price. The KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR is a remarkable addition to any road cyclist setup, delivering an impressive balance of comfort and performance. Designed with lightweight aluminum alloy, this seatpost not only offers durability but also effectively minimizes the overall weight of your bike, enhancing your ride experience. One of the standout features of the KINEKT XR is its innovative suspension system. It employs a dual-spring mechanism that elegantly absorbs shocks and vibrations from uneven terrains, allowing for a smoother ride. Whether you're tackling bumpy roads or navigating through potholes, the suspension effectively dampens impacts, reducing fatigue during long rides. This feature is particularly beneficial for cyclists who often cover extended distances, as it reduces stress on the back and legs, making for a more enjoyable journey. Installation is straightforward, and the seatpost is compatible with most standard bike frames. The adjustment options allow users to customize the seat height easily, ensuring a perfect fit for various riding styles. The design is sleek and modern, seamlessly blending with the aesthetics of high-end road bikes while maintaining a lightweight profile. Riders have noted a significant improvement in comfort levels compared to traditional rigid seatposts. The flexibility offered by the KINEKT XR translates to better overall bike handling and performance, particularly on long rides. It provides a noticeable reduction in road buzz, which can be a game-changer for those who prioritize comfort. However, potential buyers should consider the investment, as the KINEKT XR is priced higher than standard seatposts. Yet, the benefits it brings in terms of comfort and performance may justify the cost for serious cyclists. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your cycling experience with a product that marries innovation and comfort, the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR is an outstanding choice that will not disappoint. Its combination of functionality and style makes it a worthy investment for any avid cyclist.